channel. Sorry I've been away for a little bit. Just been missing in action, just dealing with a lot of stuff. So, just the drama that's in my life. So, I just thought I would pop on here, since I've got 2 boxes I need to unbox. I got my August BoxyCharm and my August Try Beauty box. So, we'll be getting into my Boxy here shortly. So, anyway, as you know, here's my box. Let me get this open. So, for those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. You get 5, count them, 5. You sometimes get a little extra if you get brushes or something, but you should get 5 full-size products, and you're only paying $21, and it's always valued at least over $100. So I am hoping that this is a good box. I have a coworker now. She just got hired last month. She gets BoxyCharm as well. I saw her box today. She had one of the new pure Barbie glow something in her box. I didn't know that was supposed to be in the box. So, we will see which version of the box I got. I did see Just Anne's box unboxing, and I saw Boxy's unboxing of 2 variants, but obviously there's more than 2 because, like I said, my coworker got one too. She had the Briogeo hair stuff that I already received once before, and like I said, that pure stuff, the new collection that they did with Barbie, which I was surprised that was in the box. I don't know if that was a mistake. Someone accidentally put the wrong thing in a box. I don't know. But anyway, you're here for my unboxing. So here is my box. I open it up. It looks like that. And here's the card for this month. I'm going to set that down over there. Just like Just Anne showed, it's not showing the variation anymore. But here's the title of the box. Totally BoxyCharm. And I like the neon, the pink. I really like that. That's really pretty. So, I know a couple of the items that are supposed to be in here. I've got one item standing over to the side because I got that item once before. So, let's see what we got going on in here. So, the first item I see in here is by wanderbeauty, which we've been receiving quite a bit here recently throughout the summer and for a few months. But this is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I did receive their Glow Ahead Face Oil. So they are 2 totally different products. This is very watery. So let's see what this looks like. It does have a seal on it right here. So let's pull the seal off. Come on. I don't remember it having a seal. That one having a seal. Alrighty. So, according to my paper here, this is valued at, what does it say? I do appreciate the fact that it actually comes with a paper. This other box I'm going to open, I just got an email from them saying that they're trying to do away with the paper, so they did away with the card, and they're giving you an electronic card. Well, some heads up before you send the boxes and tell people that. You should tell people. Don't just all of a sudden do that after you've sent boxes out. So here's what it is. It looks just like the other tube with that nice little dropper. So let's see what it looks like. So it is like a little runny. Here's what the product looks like if you can see it right there. So let me put that on this hand right over here. So this is the illuminating gel. It just looks like it gives you a little bit of a glow, just like this oil does. The Glow Ahead Face Oil. So I'm going to show you that too. So the Glow Ahead face oil has the same type of dropper, but it is very, its consistency is very, very watery. The other one, oh, I put that on the, see, it's already going down my finger, and I put it on the wrong hand. So let's see if I can pick this up and put this on this hand. It's not going to look the same, but so here's the two different products. They look the same to me. They both, this actually has more illumination, the Glow oil, the actual, yeah, the actual Glow oil. And so how much was this again? $42. I believe the Glow, the face oil, was the same price, $42. But see, this has a more, a little bit, it's still liquidy, but it's got more, just a little bit oomph behind it. Let me get a wipe to get this stuff off my fingers. There we go. Or else I'm going to get glow stuff all over everything. The next item that I see here, I'm going to set this off to the side because I'm going to need it. The next item I got in here that I really wish wasn't in here is this Lashaholics I told them I don't like lashes. This is their luxury lashes. In the shade, it doesn't tell me anything. So here's what it looks like. Here's what the lashes look like inside. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a fan of lashes, so I'm going to stick this aside. Let me see if there's anything. Yeah, there's nothing else in here. There's no glue. This is what they did once before. We got some really nice lashes. But it doesn't come with any glue, so how are you supposed to put it on? And I'm really bad at putting these on. I'll get them on as best I can get them on. Everyone else, it looks like they just put some glue on it, slap it on their face, and voila, there they go. Me, I stick it on. It may or may not get in the right place, might get glue my eyes shut. Yeah. Or they fall off because I go like this and they're off. And so what is this? Lashaholic. Lashaholic Instant Glam False Eyelashes. So what did it tell me about the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil? I didn't even read this. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates. That's this. Yikes. That's this. And absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, this lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay, but like I said, here's the comparison. This is the oil. This is this illuminating face oil. So one is just a regular face oil, and then the other is the illuminating face oil that's kind of pink in color. The other is clear. So these, as I said, are the Lashaholic Instant Glam False Eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. They're valued at $14.99. Yeah, I'm gonna have, it's a nice box. I like the presentation, and I mean, they look like really nice natural lashes, but like I said, I'm not a lash girl. I prefer my normal everyday lashes. If I can get a good mascara, I don't need false lashes. I got long enough lashes. Next item in here is what I knew was going to be in here, is that Becca, it's the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Here's the outside box. I got the shade Okay, what shade? It's their setting powder, set and refresh powder. I have no idea what shade I got. You were supposed to get either a natural shade or like a bronzing shade. So let's see what it says. Maybe it'll tell me on the bottom. I got, it still doesn't tell me. But I do like the top of this. Look how reflective that is. So you could actually use the top as a mirror. Saw that in the BoxyCharm video. Keep me close to keep me cool. Can you see that? Yeah, but I still don't know what shade I have here. But I do like the fact that it's got a thing here to keep it closed. And let me see if I can get this peeled off without making a mess. I am wearing black, so I really would prefer not to. I believe I got the normal shade, if you can see the color in there. It doesn't look like the bronzing color, so I did get the light shade. So we will pull this up just a little bit on the side. Come on. It started to come. There we go. Ooh, look at all that powder that's already. So I'm going to put that back. Close this. Make sure we're sealed. And that's the thing with this. As I've heard from individuals, you need to make sure that this is totally sealed or else it will dry out. So there is that product. Let's, you know what? Here's what the product looks like on my finger, and it is very, from what they've said, it's 50% water, so it should be very moisture. Ooh, that's really nice. There it is on the back of my hand. You can't see it. I put it on top of that glow stuff. I do like that. That totally melted into my hand. So what do they tell me on here? This is valued at $39. Wow. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which will help with that water, plus the glycerin will help your face retain and also add moisture to your face with the water that's in it. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. I do have to say, when I put that on my hand, like I said, it totally melted into my hand. So I'm going to really enjoy using this. And it is very finely milled. Yeah, that was beautiful. I love that. It basically makes up for the rest of this stuff that I feel is in this bag. In this box, rather. Next item I have here is by Tarte. It's their Big Ego Mascara. Here's what the box looks like. It is in the shade black. So what does it tell me? This is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Cost is $26. So here it is. It's this nice pink, fluorescent pink. Looks like a highlighter. Looks like that. I'm not going to open it up, but here on the side of the box you can see, as with most of Tarte's mascaras, they've got that hourglass wand with the little bristles on it. So when I do use this, look forward to my review in the month that I actually do use this, and I will let you know what I think about it. If it's anything like that better than Sex Mascara, yeah, yeah, we'll see. So the other item that I got in here, ooh, I got the item too. I got the peel-off mask, the brightening peel-off mask. I really hope this is better than the that wanderbeauty one that I got, because that just this is pure in collaboration with Barbie. It's called Glitterily Pink Brightening Peel-Off Mask. It looks like that. It's the pink glitter mask. It is created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. This mask is packed with licorice extract, skin-nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy-looking glow that lasts. We'll see. Maybe I'll need to use this tonight just to see what it looks like. Let's see. There's a safety seal on here, so I'm not going to open it up, but I will let you know what I think about it, because I'm definitely going to try this out. I was looking into this collection. So how much is this? This is $26. That's a little expensive for 2 ounces of peel-off mask. So, okay. I didn't know this was going to be in the box, one of the items from the Barbie line. I didn't know this was in the box. Anyway, so I've got my handy-dandy calculator right here to calculate how much my box totals up. So I've got the Glitterly Pink Peeling Off Mask by Pure. That's valued at $26. Then I've got the mascara, the Big Ego by Tarte. That's $23. So 26 and 23, that's $49. I have the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This valued at $42, so that's another $91. I got these Stinkin' Lashes that are $14.99. That's $105.99 so far. And then I've got, this is going in a giveaway that I'll be announcing here in a couple days. I just have to collect all the items that I'm going to put in the box. Since my birthday is in about a month, I figured I'd give you all a gift, or somebody a gift. And the Becca setting powder, which is $39 equals, I got 144, let me put this down, I got $144.99 as a total for my bag, my box. I think that's pretty good for spending $21. I am hoping next month, since it is my birthday month, that BoxyLux is a whole heck of a lot better than this. Out of this whole box, I maybe will only use 2 of the items. I will be definitely using the setting spray. As far as anything else, I don't know. That glow oil, I don't know. So, let me know what you think down in the comments. I am trying to revamp my channel and figure out some other things here for my channel. And just to do a giveaway, just to give back to you, my loyal subscribers. So, I hope y'all are having a great evening, and I will see you in my next video, which will be my Try Beauty unboxing. Bye, everybody.